let me show you how I use Anthropic these days. But more importantly, I'll show you why Anthropic is proving to be a more superior experience from a user's perspective compared to OpenAI and the Codex application. So in here we have a prompt, and this is not a chat prompt. This is more of a work prompt. I have a task to accomplish, and I'll see how this fares between Anthropic with Claude and more importantly OpenAI. So here we're gonna find top plumbers and trails near Austin, Texas. We're gonna save that in my Google Drive, and then we're gonna recommend best flights from PA to Austin on July 4th and mark those trips on the calendar. So this is not just a search, this is a search and work. So looking for top plumbers, looking for trails near Austin, recommending flights and figuring out how to search for those flights, and then doing the work of putting that on the calendar. So let me get this fired off. While this works, a couple of interesting things will happen. Number one is, well, it needs to figure out looking for plumbers, and I'll do allow for this. Guess what? It's using this thumbtack. Well, what is thumbtack? You asked right. I'll talk about what that is. So this will look at thumbtack to figure out the plumbers to recommend for us near Austin. And whoever this individual is, thank you, SEO manager, for getting you on the top of the list. That's amazing. All right, so now it has the top plumbers, and it says, well, let me find the trails. So I'll do always allow, and now it's looking for good hiking trails near Austin. Amazing. It's recommending the Twin Falls and quite a bit. And now it's going in and saying, okay, I will create a single combined Google Doc with rich HTML formatting for you. And sooner or later, this doc will be created for me. And I think after that, it will have to put that to the calendar. So very, very interesting. Now, while this is going, imagine trying to do this with the Codex desktop app. I'm going to go in and paste the same application. And the experience just is not the same. It's just not the same, unfortunately. So in here, it's taking that and it's confirmed there's automation support. It's searching the web. Searching the web is interesting, but is it using thumbtack? It's not. Thumbtack is probably one of the more superior, better services for finding service providers. So if you're going to be searching for service providers, you want to use a tool that's really good at that. And this Codex app just doesn't give us that experience. Whereas in here, we've seen thumbtack, we've seen the all trails, Google Docs, so let's check that, flight recommendations, Philadelphia, long weekend, ask a couple of questions, and I answered those questions. Now it should got it. It's going to look for the trip. Are there available tools? It says no available tools, and then I'll allow this to create that calendar invite. Just amazing with the way Claude does it. So calendar is done. Now for flight, is recommending the flight as such. If we go back here, it just will spin and spin. I think at this point, I'm just going to skip that, not even bother. And that's why I think folks, when they talk about Claude Desktop being amazing, it's for reasons like this. It's for exactly the reasons like this. I think I did this a little bit before. And if I do a refresh of this here, these are the results that were created based on when I made this video, the plumber and trails formatted, and all of that has been saved on my Google Drive. So I wouldn't go through the files, but I think we get the point. Now, why is this working as such? It really comes down to connectors. So in here, I have Booking, Canva, Cash App, Gmail, All Trails. So it knows to use these tools. And if you're using Claude today and you're not thinking about the tools that you use in your everyday life and activating that within Claude, I think you're missing a lot of superpower. The big advantage of Claude isn't just Opus 4.7. I think most people are obsessed with, am I using Opus 4.7 or am I using Sonnet or the best model? To me, if your goal is to do work, if your job is to get something done, then you want to get the best model for the job. But more importantly, you want to think about the tools you've connected, the access you've given, because this is what gives it power. This is where the alpha resides. And if you're not thinking about your connectors, managing them, adding the connectors you need, in my case, Shopify, Uber, and Granular, Intuit, and that, you are potentially missing a lot. And I think most people are sleeping on this, but Claude somehow has figured it out that connectivity is going to be, to me, the end destination. And you have one tool that can connect to all your tools. There's really no reason not to use Claude at that point. So hopefully this gives you some ideas on how I use this for my life. And this is not meant to be a comparison video with Codex and that app, but I couldn't help it, right? Just given how, in my opinion, inferior this is. That's why I think day to day I would find myself using the Claude desktop app. So hopefully this gives you an idea. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share this with somebody that might get value out of it. This is Fru, and I will see you in the next demo.